Welcome to our journey of self-discovery and healing. Many of us find it easy to extend kindness to others, yet struggle to offer that same compassion to ourselves. Today, we'll explore the transformative power of self-compassion and how it can mend old wounds, bringing lasting inner peace. Self-compassion isn't a selfish act. It's a vital component of emotional well-being. By recognizing and gently replacing self-critical patterns with supportive thoughts, we open the door to personal growth and healing. This practice invites us to accept our imperfections without harsh judgment, fostering a kinder relationship with ourselves. Understanding self-compassion is the first step on this path. It's about treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd offer a dear friend facing challenges. This doesn't mean ignoring our flaws or mistakes. Rather, it's about acknowledging them with gentleness and using them as opportunities for growth. Let's explore some practical exercises to cultivate self-compassion in our daily lives. One powerful technique is loving kindness meditation. Find a quiet moment, close your eyes, and silently send warmth and kindness to yourself. Visualize embracing your own being with love and acceptance, allowing these positive feelings to wash over you. Journaling affirmations is another effective tool. Take a few minutes each day to write down phrases like "I am enough" and "I forgive myself." These simple, yet profound statements can gradually reshape your inner dialogue, replacing self-criticism with self-support. When negative thoughts arise, practice the pause and breathe technique. Gently acknowledge these thoughts without judgment, then take a deep breath and consciously release them. This creates space between you and your thoughts, allowing for a more compassionate response. Applying compassion in daily life requires mindfulness and practice. Start by noticing moments of self-criticism as they occur. When you catch yourself in these patterns, consciously choose kindness instead. Treat yourself as you would a cherished friend, with patience, support, and understanding. Setting healthy boundaries is an essential aspect of self-compassion. Learn to honor your emotional needs by saying no when necessary and prioritizing activities that nourish your soul. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's a fundamental part of maintaining healthy relationships and overall well-being. As you continue this practice, you'll begin to notice the long-term benefits of self-compassion. Many people experience reduced stress and anxiety as they learn to be gentler with themselves. This inner kindness often translates to improved relationships with others as you develop greater empathy and understanding. Self-compassion also fosters increased confidence and emotional resilience. By accepting yourself fully, including your flaws and mistakes, you build a strong foundation of self-worth that isn't easily shaken by external circumstances or others' opinions. It's important to remember that self-compassion is a practice, not a quick fix. Like any skill, it takes time and patience to develop. Don't be discouraged if you find it challenging at first. Each small step you take is progress on this journey of self-discovery and healing. Start by incorporating small acts of self-compassion into your daily routine. This could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths when you feel overwhelmed, or speaking to yourself with words of encouragement when facing a difficult task. Over time, these small actions will accumulate, gradually transforming your inner world. As we conclude our exploration of self-compassion, remember this fundamental truth. You are worthy of love, especially your own. Embrace this practice with an open heart and watch as it ripples through every aspect of your life, bringing healing, peace, and a deeper connection to yourself and others. Self-compassion is a powerful tool for personal growth and emotional healing. By treating ourselves with kindness and understanding, we create a nurturing inner environment where old wounds can finally heal. This practice doesn't just benefit us individually, but also enhances our capacity to connect with and support others. As you move forward, carry this message with you. You deserve compassion, not just from others, but from yourself. Your imperfections and struggles don't diminish your worth. They're part of what makes you beautifully human. Embrace them with gentleness and use them as stepping stones toward greater self-awareness and growth. Remember, the journey of self-compassion is ongoing. There will be days when it feels easier and days when it's more challenging. Be patient with yourself through this process. Each time you choose kindness over criticism, you're reinforcing a new, healthier pattern of relating to yourself. Incorporate self-compassion into your daily life by creating small rituals. Perhaps start your day with a positive affirmation, or end it by reflecting on 3 things you appreciate about yourself. These simple practices can anchor you in self-kindness, even during turbulent times. As you cultivate self-compassion, you may notice a shift in how you perceive challenges. Instead of seeing them as insurmountable obstacles, you'll begin to view them as opportunities for learning and growth. This resilient mindset is a powerful tool for navigating life's ups and downs. Self-compassion also enhances your ability to set and achieve goals. When you're not held back by harsh self-criticism, you're more likely to take risks, try new things, and persevere in the face of setbacks. This can lead to greater personal and professional fulfillment. In your relationships, self-compassion allows you to show up more authentically. When you're at peace with yourself, you're less likely to seek validation from others or engage in people-pleasing behaviors. This leads to more genuine connections and healthier boundaries. As we close, I encourage you to make a commitment to yourself. Promise to treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd offer a loved one. Remember, you are deserving of compassion, always. Let this be the foundation upon which you build a life of self-love, inner peace, and meaningful connections. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of self-compassion. May your journey be filled with kindness, growth, and healing. Remember, every step you take towards self-compassion is a step towards a more fulfilling and peaceful life. Embrace this practice and watch as it transforms not just your inner world, but your entire life experience.